Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Word is Bomb Finds back here with another video, and today I have an absolute banger for you guys. Right here in front of me, I have about 10 kg worth of items. We got some Aloe, some Gallery Dept, Broken Planet, Nike, Yeezy, Asics, Valley, Bape. We have a whole bunch of streetwear items in this haul, and in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing it all. Now, before the video goes ahead and starts, I just wanna say that everything that you see here laid out in front of me is in my DH spreadsheet, which will be the first link in the description. So if you mess with any of these items at any given time in this video, definitely go make sure to check out that spreadsheet. And yeah, I'm not even really gonna do too much more for the intro. Without further ado, let's get on to this haul. All right, so we're gonna go from our traditional order. We're gonna go right to left. So first up, we have some Aloe, like I had said in the intro. So first things first, as you guys can see, we have the nice Aloe packaging. Looks very, very good. And then we're gonna get right into it. So as you guys can see, beautiful Aloe shorts right here, looking great as ever. First things first, I want to point out, got the Aloe tag right there. That looks great. And then after, we just have some regular Aloe, butt tags or whatever. We got that right there. And then going down, I want to show you guys, we have the Aloe logo right here, looking shiny and it's raised. And then I don't know what this material is called, but the classic Aloe material for the text or whatever, this feels exactly how it should feel. And then after, we have two nice drawstrings in here. As you guys can see, the strings look good as well, and I have like the little, it's not metal, but just this, I guess just plastic right here. It has the little plastic right there. So all of that looks good on these Aloe shorts. And then after just filling on it, the material definitely feels very, very good as well. And then I just want to show you guys the inside material so you guys can see for yourself. This is just what we're working with and everything. So yeah, these Aloe shorts are definitely very, very good. I'm actually gonna go ahead and try them on just real quick and let you guys know how the fit is. Okay, so I now have the Aloe shorts on, and as you guys can see, well, you guys can't really tell in the camera, but just telling you guys how they feel very, very good. They go right down to the desired length I want them to go down, which is also really, really good. And then they also, like I already said, they feel great as well. So yeah, these are overall a very, very good pair of shorts to have for this summer season. And yeah, I definitely rate these a 10 out of 10. So if you guys are into Aloe shorts, definitely make sure to cop them from my spreadsheet. All right, next up we have some Valley. So as you guys can see, we have the Valley packaging right here. And then after, on the back side, it has a shirt letting us know that it's a shirt. So that's a really, really nice attention to detail just off the packaging. And then you already know if the packaging is good, then the actual tee has to be good, and which it is. So as you guys can see, we have a Valley tee right here. This thing looks very, very good. As you guys can see, it just says Valley right there. Or I've been saying it wrong. It's actually Veil. Their brand is called Veil, but it just says Valley on all the stuff. But yeah, as you guys can see, this looks very, very good. And then I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up of, the little panther or whatever. As you guys can see, the panther print is on point. This is just beautiful. It feels great as well, I must say. And then just overall the tee, it just feels very, very great. It's just the material, you could definitely tell that they used a very, very good line of cotton. And yeah, it's very, very strong. It doesn't just it doesn't feel like it's just gonna rip apart. But anyways, we're gonna get on to a couple little details. As you guys can see, we have Veil USA right here, and then X large, letting us know it's an extra large. And then after, we have the Veil tag right here, which looks good as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all the details on this tee. It's overall just a regular tee. There's a beautiful graphic design. Like I said, the graphic design on this is literally a 10 out of 10. The quality and just everything about it is just a 10 out of 10. So if you guys are into this tee or just Veil tees in general, definitely make sure to cop them from my spreadsheet. All right, next up we have some Gallery Dept. So as you guys can see, we have the gallery department text right here on the bag, which looks very, very good. Nice to see that it came with this bag, because it's I've been on a losing streak with gallery department where the bag did not look like this, or it was just in a plain bag. So it's good to see that we got that. We're back on to the winning. And then after getting on to the actual tee, as you guys can see, it's the Department de la Galerie tee. So as you guys can see, that looks very, very good. And I'm just gonna give you guys a close up on the text. This is what we're working with. It's not too thick, not too skinny. It's just right. And then after going on to the neck tag, as you guys can see, we got gallery department right there, and then a small little XL, and us know it's extra large. And then lastly, we have the realistic gallery department tag right here. And then after going on to the back, as you guys can see, we got the same department day lock gallery right there, which looks very, very good. It's at the right spot it's supposed to be at. It's not too far down, not too far up. Like, it looks exactly how it's supposed to. And yeah, that's really, really good on this tee. And then just filling on the tee in general, like the same with the other tee we reviewed earlier in this video, like it feels very, very good as well. Doesn't feel like any cheap cotton, because I've reviewed a lot of stuff over the years and I know what bad quality is, and this is definitely very, very good quality. So if you guys are into gallery department tees, they have like these ones, and then after they have like the ones I regularly like, say like just gallery department and then gallery department on the back. So they have all different types of variants. So if you guys are into these tees, definitely make sure to copy it from the spreadsheet. All right, next up we have a Bathing Ape jersey actually. So as you guys can see right here, a Bathing Ape right here, and then after we have the little text, ape shall never kill ape. And then after we have, you know, just the Bape logo. So all of that looks good on the bag. And usually when the bag and stuff and like the packaging is good, that's how you know the actual quality of the item is gonna be good, and which we can see that right here. So we have a Bape X, like I'm pretty sure it's like Bape X Enter Miami or something like that. But yeah, we got that tee right here. So you guys can see it says Miami and then a bathing ape right there. And it has like a couple like little symbols, like this is like embroidery on. And then over here it's just, you know, a regular Bape logo. So yeah, all of that looks very, very good. And then after we have a little patch down here, which feels very, very good as well. So just showing you guys that it has all of the little details. Even on this side right here on like the sleeve, we have another embroidery thing right here, Miami. So all of that looks very, very good. And then after we have, you know, the neck tag, we have a bathing ape right there, XL. And then after it comes with the actual tag. So we have Bape tag right here, and then it even has the Miami tag. So like I said, it's like the Bape X Enter Miami. And then after going on the back, we have Bape 93, and then, you know, Miami right here again. So I don't know if this is an actual team or not, or I don't know if it's just like I know it's a collab or whatever, but I'm not sure like all the origins from this. But yeah, it's a very, very high quality jersey. It feels just like that jersey material, but it's like a mixture of like jersey material but also like regular t-shirt material. So it's definitely good to feel that. This is what we're working with the Bape X Enter Miami jersey. If you guys are into these jerseys, they have it in this colorway, the gray colorway, and then also like a pink colorway. So if you guys are into these jerseys, definitely make sure to copy it from the spreadsheet. And then after, I feel like we've been reviewing a lot of clothes, so what we're gonna do is just slide these down, and we're gonna get into one of the pairs of shoes. So first, I think we're just gonna go ahead and just do these Asics because they're most far right. First things first, as you guys can see, we have the Asics box right here. Asics box looks really, really good. Asics on the side, and then, you know, the shoe and everything on that side. So as you guys can see, we have some Asics Gel 14s, Kayano or Kayano. I've never actually known how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's, you guys get what I'm saying. But anyways, as you guys can see, we have the, you know, Asics in blue. These things look very, very good. Like just the, you know, classic Asics design looks good right there. And then these little hooks, you know, that's also another like tell. These hooks look very, very good right here too. And then after, just a couple little details, as you guys can see, we have the Gel Kayano 14 right there. And then after, we have the gel on the back. And then after, this is what we're looking like on the other side. Even has that nice little stripe through right there. Like, I know all the little details on this because I am very familiar with the shoe, but I guess I just like never, you know, found out how to pronounce it, which is like crazy. But yeah, I'm really into these shoes. I just love everything Asics. But yeah, anyways, then after going on to, you know, the, I guess, yeah, you say the lip of the shoe or whatever, we have the Asics right there. That looks very, very good. And then after, you know, this thing has just been, you know, going around. This is the Asics tag right here, Asics right there, and then just, you know, the Asics logo right there. So tag looks great as well. And then after, it does come with, you know, like a little package right here, or not package, but a little paper right here, you know, so that the shoe doesn't crease and everything. And then after that kind of brings us into this part. As you guys can see, you have Asics inside of there. So yeah, these are some very, very good shoes. And I actually forgot to show you guys the bottom, but this is what we're working with the bottom. Looks very, very good. But yeah, these are some very, very good shoes, especially for the summer. And like, think about Asics, that they're so comfortable. So if you guys just want a comfortable shoe to walk around in, definitely make sure to cop these from the spreadsheet. All right, and then now we're gonna get back into the clothing. So So we just reviewed another jersey like earlier in this haul. So we're gonna go ahead and just review this jersey as well. And then after, we're gonna get on to the jersey. So everyone is familiar with this Broken Planet jersey if you know like the brand Broken Planet. This is a very, very nice jersey right here. It feels great as well. Has the full jersey material, whereas like the Bape X Inter Miami was kind of like a jersey but shirt mix. And then after, I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of, you know, the details. As you guys can see, we have an embroidery, like little yellow logo right here. And then after on this other side, it's like more of a, I don't even know what they call this material, but you guys can kind of just see from, you know, the camera or whatever, tell what material it is. So we got that right here. And then after, we have a nice little just, you know, screen printing, it feels like, of the Broken Planet right there. And then the text is very, very good. It's like not too big, not too small, it's just right. And then after going on to the neck tag, as you guys can see, Broken Planet right there, that looks very, very good. Has X large, letting us know it's an extra large. And then going on to the back, as you guys can see, we have the Broken Planet 12. And then this is like screen printing, this screen printing, and yeah, all of that feels exactly how it's supposed to as well. So yeah, this is the Broken Planet jersey. If you guys are into Broken Planet, definitely make sure to cop it from the spreadsheet. And yeah, that's gonna do for the Broken Planet jersey. And then after, we're gonna go back into another pair of shoes. We're gonna save this one for the end because these are just, or you guys can't even see where I'm pointing at, but we're gonna save these for the end. But anyways, next up we have some Yeezy slides. I like to always say Yeezy. I don't know why, it's just like, that's how I feel like it should be said. But yeah, Yeezy slides right here. And then let me show you guys the front. We got the slide right there. So all of that looks good. And then, you know, classic, gotta just pull it out on the side, just pull out, you know. And then after, as you guys can see, we have the Yeezy slides right here. These are the bone colorway. And as you guys can see, they look very, very good. It feels very, very great too. Like it's not very, very flimsy. It's like, it feels exactly how it's supposed to feel. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get on to a couple of the details. So first things first, as you guys can see, we have the nice Adidas logo right here. This feels great as well. And then after, on the inside, I don't think the camera will really be able to tell, but like it's like on the inside right here, you guys can kind of tell, but basically it just says like Yeezy and then 12 US and then made in Vietnam. That's what the text reads right there. And that reads exactly how it's supposed to read. And then after, one little last detail is, you know, the little dot right here. I always say this, if the Yeezy slides don't have the dot right here, like it's just, I guess it's cooked, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's just cooked. But yeah, that's always a really, really good detail right there. And yeah, it's not really a lot to these Yeezy slides. Like it's really just a classic Yeezy slide, but they are really, really comfortable. And then another thing to know is like, I'm a size 13 and these are size 12. So I'm gonna just like put them on my feet real quick. And yeah, they literally fit me perfectly. So literally, I'm pretty sure you can go a size down if you want it to just be a regular fit. But like, you know, Yeezy slides like run big in general. But yeah, if you are into Yeezy slides, definitely make sure to cop these from the spreadsheet. And then next up, the last clothing item we have is some Valley jorts. So as you guys can see, we have, oh, I keep saying Valley. We have some Vail jorts. So as you guys can see, we have the Valley text right there and then Vail Sports Division. And you know, this is all for the packaging. Then we're gonna go ahead and open these up. I actually already worn these once. That's kind of why, like, you know, the tag is all, you know, crooked and everything, but I just like kind of just like, you know, tucked it in. But anyways, as you guys can see, we have some beautiful Valley jorts. It has like a nice little star design, and then they have like these little, like, I don't even know what you call these or whatever, but they have these little things on them and like they just go all the way around. So these things feel very, very good. A couple of them already fell off, but you know, like that just goes with like wear over time. Like a couple of them will fall off. And I'm pretty sure like they were ones that like really didn't matter. Like they were ones on the back. Like you guys can see right here, like they're already kind of like raising off. Like look, this one's literally gonna come off right here. Like I pulled it off. But yeah, those things are gonna come off. That just, you know, comes with, you know, wear and everything, just to keep that in mind. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna get on to the actual review of these. So first thing I want to show you guys is just the butt tag to get it out the way. This is what we're working with the butt tag. It looks very, very good. It just says, you know, Vail Sports Division. And then after the regular tag, as you guys can see, we have Valley right here. And then after we have, you know, the Valley tag. Like I said, this is like kind of messed up because I had to just, you know, tuck it into my pants or whatever. So yeah, we have that. And then after, one of the last little details is we have this nice little star thing right here. This is just, you know, the buckle or whatever. And that looks good as well. And then after, overall, it's just like a star design. And then you guys can see we have like that little like wash look right here, which looks very, very good. And even going on to the back, as you guys can see, we have the wash look still material right there, which makes, you know, the pants like just stick out a little bit more. And then after, on the back pockets, we have that same little button right there. That looks very, very good. Or I keep saying button, I meant to say buckle. Like we have that little thing right there. And yeah, overall, these are some 10 out of 10s. But yeah, overall, these are 10 out of 10 jorts. These things look very, very good. Like I said, I already wore them because like as soon as I opened up the package, I was like, heck no, like I gotta wear these like right now. Like these are just too fire. So if you guys are into Vel jorts, definitely make sure to cop them from the Spreadsheet. And then last but not least, we have some Travis J1s. So telling by the box, you guys can already kind of tell what these are. And we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I mean, you guys just, you know, see the box or whatever. But anyways, first things first, we're gonna have that nice pink wrapping paper. Then we're gonna take this out, and then you guys already see what this shoe is. So right here, we have some Fragment J1s, which look very, very good. These things just look absolutely awesome. As you guys can see, just like, you know, the little stitching right here, and then just like the material right here, all of this looks very, very good. Literally like zero flaws. And I'm just gonna show you guys a couple little details. So first things first, we have, you know, the little cactus jack thing right here, which looks very, very good. And then just like the tongue feels very, very good on this shoe. And then you guys may be thinking, where are like all the laces and everything? But you actually just take out, you know, the little sole part, and then the laces are right here. They're under the shoe. So, you know, you gotta lace it yourself, which is like really, really simple to do. So we have that. And then on the front, you guys can see the little holes and everything. The holes look very, very good on this. And then even just going right here, you know, the classic star design, the stars look exactly how they're supposed to look. Not too big, not too small. They feel great. And then the shoe feels exactly the weight it's supposed to as well. It's not too light and not too heavy, which is like also great. And then on the back, we have Air Jordan, and then we have, you know, that little symbol right there, which is really, really good. It's nice, perfectly centered, and then just this back is like not like crooked or anything. So that's always good to see as well. And then one of the last little details is we have the Nike on the inside of there, right there, as you guys can see, and that looks great as ever. And then after, we just have the bottom. So yeah, these are some Jordan 1 fragments, the Jordan 1 low fragments, I should say, actually, Travis and everything. So yeah, if you guys are into these, definitely make sure to cop them from the Spreadsheet. But that is going to do for the haul. Like I said a million times in this video, everything I reviewed in this video is in my Spreadsheet, which is the first link in the description. So if you guys would mess with any of these items in this haul, definitely make sure to go check that Spreadsheet out. And then if you guys have any questions about any of the items reviewed in today's video or about DH in general, definitely make sure to comment it down below or join my Discord server and ask for help there. Either one works. And then lastly, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and for more hauls like this in the future. Like I'm literally about to be going crazy for the rest of the summer with DH hauls and like reviewing like a whole tons of items. So also actually make sure to like go ahead and just, you know, comment all the items that you want to see me review down below, because I will be reviewing them and you don't want to miss out on that. But it has been Word is Mom Finds, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.